Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to cover one more machine test. So as you have seen on the thumbnail, let's see what this app will do. So this is the app, it's called Weather app, and basically let's see what are the features in this. So this is one machine test which I have received during one interview. So I have to create one app where we can add bookmarks of the locations. So by tapping on this plus button we will come to the new screen. So here you can see this, and if the location is accessible then it will go to the current location. So for example, if I give the location here, okay, let me run the app again. Here is the location option, and you can see at the side here. Now if I tap on plus button, it is not going to the current location, but let's select here. Let's say I will select here Mumbai, India. Then it will zoom into that location, current location, and now I have to select any location. So let's say I will select here like this one. I will tap here, long press gesture I'm using. Once it is completed the long press gesture, it will set one pin there and it will open this action sheet where you have one option to see the weather information. If I tap on here, so it will open that, like for example I have tapped at this location, it is showing me the temperature at that location, the time, how is the weather, rain, humidity and wind. It's showing all the information. And below here you can see there is one this collection view I have used, which is showing the temperature per hour. And here you can see if I switch to weekly, it is showing the weekly weather information also. So today and weekly both options are available here. And now the second thing is I can bookmark things here. So if I tap here, it will save this location as a bookmark. Now let me close it. Let's go back, and now you can see the location which I have bookmarked, it's here. So this is the one part. I can again tap on this one and I can open the same again. Let's close this again. Let's go to another. Let's add one more here. So this time I will add this Bandra East location. Let's go to the location, see the weather information. Let's bookmark it, come back, let's select one more here. Let's say this one again. Let's bookmark it, and like this we have saved few locations here. So currently it's taking a little bit time to load, but yeah, this is how you can save the bookmarks. And now if I want to delete it, I can just drag like this and I can delete it. If I want to see that location weather information, I can tap on it, I can close it. If I can do one more thing, like here I can close it and open it, and I can just remove the bookmark from here and it will go from the list. And like this I can do multiple operations. Like here you can just, instead of this I will say zoom out and I will select a different location. For example, I want to select something from Pune. I can come here, let's select any location here, click this and bookmark it and come back and it will be there. So this is how you save the locations. Now here you have this option as settings. Go here, first section is help. Like for example, you want to see how this app will work. So in the help section you can see that it will basically open the GitHub page readme file and it will tell you all the steps how this app you can use it. So this is how it works, the help section. Let's close it, and now let's reset bookmark. We'll see at the end. Check other repositories. So here I have given one more link to my GitHub profile where I have added all the repositories. So here you can see 188 repositories are there, like all the information. So the code for this application also you will get from my this GitHub profile, so do check it. Other machine test also I have added. So this type of like SSL pinning, what is that, how SS pinning works in iOS, so that type of projects I have added. So this is how you can see the other repositories. Close it, and now let's see here. I have added two bookmarks and I want to reset it. Just reset it, say yes and come back, and now everything is cleared. So this is how this complete app works. Mainly the feature is this, adding your location like this I have shown you previously. So this is how the whole app works. this is the button for showing the current location. So yeah, that's all for this video guys. I hope you have liked this video. To get the code for this project, you can directly switch to my GitHub profile and you can get it. Basically I've done this application here in MVVM, so yeah, you can find the code there, or if you have any doubts you can ask me in the comment section below. I will try to explain you completely. So yeah, that's all for this video guys. I hope you have liked it, and if you have any queries let me know. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.